Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Yes, I returned the ASUS RYZEN keyboard and went with this keyboard because I do love low-profile keyboards, and I'm happy that Logitech came out with a new keyboard and they did something differently that kind of shocked the crap out of me. One, this keyboard, it's $139. Two, it's not using ABS keycaps, it's using double shot PBT keycaps. That is awesome, and I'm being optimistic about this. That I think Logitech, if you can hear me, please come out with a G703 Super Light forward, please, that'd be great. All right, back of my begging Logitech to come out with that mouse. So, two color options right here in front of you. The one I got is black. I am using linear switches. Now they do have the tacky one, and they also have another color instead. If you don't want to get them black, you can get them white. Also uses USB Type-C. Hallelujah. So I'm excited. Let's open it up. So, what's in the box? Ooh. So let's continue. I'm gonna hold it like this. Of course, yes, I know I have the Logitech installed, so don't worry about it. Keyboard itself. Put it right there towards the side. At the bottom of this, we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. And I believe the USB adapter should come with it as well. I cannot believe I'm holding the camera in my right hand and using pretty much my left hand to do this. There we go, boom. So it's not braided. So basically it's just rubberized. Pretty much the same USB adapter that you see on the Super Light 2. USB Type-A to USB Type-C. I kind of like this little grippy type of feel of that USB adapter. Well, as it comes in a box. Nothing else. Throwing this box over there. And let me put the camera in this position. And see how beautiful this keyboard is. Ooh. This looks nice. Ah! Well, guess I'm gonna have to fire myself. Top right corner tells you that if you have caps lock on or your battery indication. Right here, your wireless 2.4. Bluetooth or game mode. This is a godsend. I will never forget the first time that I seen this on a Logitech product. We're gonna go a little bit old school over here because I'm gonna get ready to feel old again. The G15 that has a little LCD screen, it had a little switch right there that it will disable the Windows key, because that kind of is annoying, and especially when you play first-person shooters, it's really annoying when you hit that Windows key, and especially when you're in a really intense moment in the game and then you hit the Windows key, minimize your game possibility and get you killed. I'm glad that they still following the trend of disable the bloody Windows key while you're gaming. So let's do a quick sound test to show you guys how it sounds. Ooh, I like these. Now, I believe at the bottom of this keyboard should have the wireless receiver, and there should be a storage spot for it. So, build quality is very light, very durable. No creak, no flex. And as I said before, trying to find it, is the wireless receiver right here that you could store it and go to a LAN party event or go to a friend's house to do a LAN event. And also, I forgot, look how, ooh, I love the sound. Ooh, this thing's really grippy. Also, you have levels of your stands. So you got up to 8 or 2, which I'm gonna leave it at that. Put the keyboard right here. Let me see. There's a little light switch right here to light up the device. Ooh. Okay. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna set everything up and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when everything is light up and ready. Look how beautiful she is. Ooh, it has an LED right there that tells you that you had it enabled. And then the keycaps light will let you know you have it on or off. This is a nice keyboard. It looks beautiful. I love it. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the video. Again, happy 4th of July. Have fun. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Any questions, you know what to do. Answer those questions down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, hasta mañana.